How to unwrap UVs in Blender. First of all, select a 3D object you want to unwrap and make sure you are in the edit mode by pressing the tab key. From there, you need to select the faces you want to unwrap. You can press A to select all faces or use box selection if you only want to unwrap certain parts. Next, press U on your keyboard to bring up the unwrap option. For a clean unwrap, choose a Smart UV project if your model is complex, or use the basic unwrap option if you have already added seams manually. To get better control, it's a good idea to mark seams before unwrapping. You can do this by selecting edges, right-clicking, and choosing Mark Seam. These seams work like cutting patterns in cloth. They tell Blender how to split your mesh. Once you have added seams, press A to select all faces, hit U, and choose Unwrap. Now, to view your UV map, switch to the UV editing window. You will see how your 3D mesh has been laid out in 2D. From here, you can adjust, scale, or move islands to make the layout more efficient for texturing. And that's it. Now you know how to unwrap UVs in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.